Hello everyone, Salam alaykum. I'm Yassine and I'm excited to have you back for another video. Today, I can't wait to introduce you to a couple of my favorite go-to sources for discovering incredible free add-ons that I frequently incorporate into my projects. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and explore these fantastic Blender add-ons together. Number 1. The Render Manager add-on Renderset, likely the only product of ours that saved us more money than it made. Which is not that easy. Are you often annoyed with rendering countless different variations of a scene? Renders will save you many hours a week, no more waking up at 3 a.m. to start another render. Change the context of your scene with a click of a button. These 4 render contexts each remember different cameras, worlds, collections, frames, and settings. Render contexts can be both a still image or an animation. Multi-editing of render contexts is coming pretty soon. So you will be able to select context you want to edit and change it everywhere at once. We need to implement some safeguards though so people don't overwrite stuff accidentally. Batch rendering? Yes, once your scene and context are ready, just press render all and let renders do their magic. Afterward, all check contexts are rendered and saved based on your render preferences setup. You can find amazing, great, and detailed instructions regarding the post-render actions in their documentation. Number 2. The Alt-Tab Easy Fog 2, created by a couple of Blender geeks who just love making awesome tools. Alt-Tab Easy Fog 2 is here to kick your volumetric game up a notch. Perfect for anyone. From weekend creators to professional artists, this add-on makes adding clouds, smoke, and all sorts of foggy effects to your scenes a breeze. With a slick UI, you can drop in presets and tweak them without breaking a sweat. We improved everything Alt-Tab Easy Fog 1 had to offer, packed in even more presets and polished the UI, making everything you liked about our first version even better. Features 50 procedural volume presets, 100 static VDB volumes, 20 pre-animated presets. All presets can be manually animated. Simple UI control for density, color, noise, textures, and texture mapping. Volume categories, pin material properties to the UI panel. Procedural materials for VDB's asset browser integration. How it works: place the 3D cursor, select your desired preset, and add it to your scene. Position it in and simply adjust the material settings from the add-on's end panel. Procedural volume materials. Alt-Tab Easy Fog 2 comes with 50 procedural volume materials that make creating realistic fog, clouds, and smoke in Blender a piece of cake. Customize them easily from our panel to fit any scene. It's all about quick, good-looking effects without the hassle. Number 3. The BlendFX Visual Effects Toolkit for Blender. Real-time effects experience instant feedback as you manipulate and customize visual effects directly within Blender's viewport. Extensive library access. A rich library of pre-built effects ranging from explosions and fire simulations to dynamic weather effects and magical spells. With BlendFX, the possibilities are limitless. Customization options tailor effects to suit your specific needs with intuitive controls and parameters. Adjust colors, intensities, sizes, and behaviors to achieve the perfect look for your project. Performance optimization. Built with performance in mind, BlendFX utilizes efficient algorithms and optimizations to deliver fast and responsive real-time rendering, even with complex scenes. Support and updates. Rest assured knowing that BlendFX is backed by a dedicated team of developers committed to providing ongoing support and regular updates. As Blender evolves, so too will BlendFX, ensuring compatibility and continued enhancement of features. Number 4. The Builder Pro. Number 5. The Easy Wake add-on. Generate dynamic oceans. Introducing Easy Wake add-on, your ultimate tool for dynamic ocean simulation. With Easy Wake, creating stunning ocean scenes with realistic ship wakes has never been easier. Simply click the Add Dynamic Ocean button on the intuitive panel and watch as a beautiful ocean with realistic ground textures instantly appears. Next, select your ship model and click Draw Ship Path to effortlessly create a curve that will animate your ship's movement across the water. Once your path is set, just hit play to see your ship come to life as it moves through the dynamic waves. EasyWake allows you to fine-tune your simulation with a range of ocean and simulation parameters, giving you complete control over the look and feel of your scene. Whether you're aiming for a calm sea or a stormy voyage, EasyWake makes it simple to achieve your desired effect. The ocean ground is seamlessly integrated into the surface, providing a realistic backdrop for your ship's journey. If you ever want to change the ship's path, simply click Draw Ship Path again to define a new course at any time. Number 6. The Stampit. No Shrinkwrap extra geometry. First product launch cell Stampit is my first add-on and project I'm releasing, and with that, they wanted to do a little launch sale. You can grab it Stampit at a 40% discount. The discount is already applied to the price, which will change back to its original of $29.99 in May. For students, send me a message via Blender Market and I can issue an additional discount for student licenses. What is Stampit? Stampit simplifies the process of applying decals and PNGs to models. It utilizes a controller empty technique that adds the decals without adding a single extra vertex to your project. The add-on works in both Cycles and Eevee. Features stamped JPG and PNG images to objects. Stamps stick to the surface of the object. Auto parent stamp to object. No Shrinkwrap modifier. Auto resize stamp to aspect ratio. Auto link node stamp layering. Swap images quickly. Alpha cutouts. Organized node group. Smart material system. Shows stamps of active objects on UI example scenes included. Number 7. The fonts. Various 3D fonts. Write in Blender with various 3D fonts with ease. We created an easy-to-use Blender add-on that allows you to write inside Blender. Various beautiful 3D fonts are included. Fonts included Cyber, Balloon, Flora, Candy, Christmas, Design, Kids, 3D fonts, Rock fonts, Neon font, Fluffy fonts. Write 3D texts in seconds. We built a Blender add-on, thanks to which you can utilize the power of writing in Blender. It's that easy. Number 8. The Snowden is an add-on based on geometry nodes. It allows you to generate snowscapes with a range of various features, including snowflakes, snowdrifts, and snow imprints. Snowflakes. This feature allows you to generate and control snowflakes, such as their speed, density, size, and wind effect. Snowdrifts. This feature allows you to generate and control snowdrifts, such as their quality, density, smoothness, bump, and spreading. Snow imprints. This feature allows you to pick a collection that holds objects leaving special marks in the snow, like footprints or tire tracks. Number 9. The Buildit v1.1 Auto-Generate Buildings. Buildit is a Blender add-on that allows you to auto-generate buildings, using a variety of different building modules with different types and poly counts. Generate export-ready buildings by checking the Export Ready button before generating buildings. Will have UV map meshes that are ready to be exported. About Buildit. Buildit is an add-on that has to be installed to be used. It works with Blender 3.5 and above. The 1.0 version has 10 different modules. Auto-create building combinations. Buildit v1.1 features the building's control panel has been updated. 10 new building modules added to the collection. Buildings colors. New buildings combinations. Number 10. The Railway Generator Geonodes. Geonodes Railway Generator is a tool based on geometry nodes that convert curves to railways and control them via customizable settings. Preview images were rendered in Blender 3.4 using Cycles. The forest scene preview image has some colors post-processing using Photopea.com. 4000 PBR textures used.
If you're as excited as we are about these incredible Blender add-ons and updates, show us some love by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with your fellow Blender enthusiasts. Let's spread the word and elevate the Blender community together. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.